Welcome back to the channel, or hi if you're new here. I'm Elise, and today we're going to be learning how to crochet the super easy and quick heart bookmark. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, and I will be working through all of the stitches with you as we use them. All you're going to need to get started on this project is some worsted weight for acrylic yarn, a pair of scissors, and a 5mm crochet hook, and we are all ready to get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with the heart section of our bookmark. To do that, the first thing we need to do is make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, I'm going to wrap the yarn around two of my fingers and across, just like this. Then I'm going to pinch that yarn tail with my thumb so it doesn't come undone. And taking the pointer finger on my opposite hand, I'm putting that under that first strand of yarn and over the second. Then I'm just going to flip that second strand of yarn up and pull it tight. Let's do that one more time. I'm wrapping the yarn around two of my fingers and across. Then I'm pinching that yarn tail with my thumb and taking my pointer finger on my right hand. I'm just going to put that under that first strand of yarn and over the second. Then I'm flipping that second strand of yarn up and pulling it tight to make my slip knot. Now that we have our slip knot, we can go ahead and put our hook into the slip knot, pull it tight, and we will get started on the chain. To make a chain, we're just going to yarn over and pull that directly through that loop on our hook. Again, yarn over and just pull it directly through that loop on the hook. And we need 4 chains in total, so let's do that 2 more times. Yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through. And there are our 4 chains. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and trim this yarn tail so it's not in my way. Next, we're going to make a slip stitch into the very first chain that we made right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hook into that first chain, just like that. Then to make a slip stitch, I'm going to yarn over and pull that directly through that loop on my hook. And you can see that we've made a little circle with our chain here. So all of our stitches for our heart are going to go directly into the middle of that circle, just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our heart. The first stitch I'm going to make is a single crochet into the middle of my circle. To make a single crochet, I'm going into the middle of the circle. I'm yarning over and pulling up a loop so that I have 2 loops on my hook. Then yarn over and pull through both of those loops on the hook, and you've made your single crochet. Next, I'm going to make a double crochet into my circle. To make a double crochet, we're going to yarn over, put our hook back into that circle, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through the next 2, and you've made your double crochet. Next, we need to make 3 triple crochets back into our circle. To make a triple crochet, we're going to yarn over twice, put our hook back into the circle, yarn over and pull up a loop so that you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 more, yarn over and pull through the last 2 to finish your triple crochet. So you can see that we have our single crochet, our double crochet, and our triple crochet all into our circle. And you can go ahead and scoot your stitches back towards that single crochet that we made in the beginning to make sure you have enough room in your circle for all of your stitches. Next, I'm going to make 2 more triple crochets, exactly the same as we did right here. There is our second triple crochet, and 1 more. So we have all 3 triple crochets done right there. Next, we're going to make 4 more double crochets into our circle. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now to make the point of our heart at the bottom, we're going to make one more triple crochet into the circle. Just like that, and you have officially completed half of your heart. Now we just need to mirror this over here on the other side. So let's make 4 more double crochets into the circle. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, just go ahead and keep scooting those stitches down so you have enough room for all of them. Okay, we have our 4 double crochets, and just like on this side, we need to make 3 more triple crochets. There's the first triple crochet, the second triple crochet, and the third triple crochet. All right, let's make 1 more double crochet into our circle. And finally, we're going to make a single crochet into the circle. Okay, and to finish my heart, I'm going to make a slip stitch into my circle, just like that. And we are all done with this heart section, so I'm going to go ahead and tie off by chaining 1. I'm going to cut my yarn. And just pull that directly up through the chain that I just made and pull it tight. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull on the yarn tail at the back of our heart here to go ahead and close up this hole. Okay, so you can go ahead and weave in these yarn tails. I prefer just to tie them together. Then we'll go ahead and trim that. Okay, that completes the heart section of our bookmark. We're going to go ahead and move on to the bottom part. I'm picking up the same yarn color that I just used for my heart. And then I'm going to locate that triple crochet at the point of my heart at the bottom here, right there. And I'm going to put my hook into the top of that stitch. Then I'm just going to pull my yarn through that stitch and tie it on. I'm going to go ahead and tie it in a knot so it doesn't come undone. Then I'm putting my hook back into that same stitch and I'm going to pull up a loop. And now we're going to go ahead and make a chain for the bottom part of our bookmark. I'm going to go ahead and chain 40, but this is totally up to you and how large the book you're reading is. You can make this longer or shorter. It's totally up to you, like I said. I'm going to go ahead and chain 40. So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back here. Okay, I've made all 40 of my chains, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my yarn, leaving a little bit of a yarn tail. And again, just pull that up through that last chain that we made. And pull it tight. To weave this in, you can weave this yarn tail back down the chain that you made, or you can just cut it short. I'm going to go ahead and just cut mine, but make sure you don't cut it all the way down here at the knot because it will come undone. We want to leave a little bit of yarn. Okay, something like that so it doesn't come undone. Okay, you are all done with your heart bookmark and it is ready to use. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and let me know in the comments how your project turned out and subscribe if you're not already. and I will see you in the next video.